So I'm just going to burp the Jackaroo with the car not running, so voltage is going to go right down to low 12s. I'm going to burp it at 35, 37, 39, 41, 42 and 44 Hz. Okay, this is my test tone. It runs for 30 seconds total with gaps in between, and it fades into each tone, so it doesn't just hit it straight away. But this will be what I'll be using tomorrow at the bass battle. So enjoy. Shit. It's making water drip out of the tap. And that's it. That voltage was then at 12 on the dot. Head unit on 28, it clips at 32, and that gain is not turned up fully yet. So there's nowhere near what this thing can do. But it's shaking a lot of shit.